Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Brahmam Garu, for this. You do this every year and get all the specialists in education on one single platform. And thank you, Spandana. And congratulations, Shreya and Shweta. And my pleasure. Yeah, simplified. So, this is an impromptu talk. Schools are the place where children spend most of their awake time, especially the higher classes. So, don't you believe that the school has to be very safe for the child? Agree or not? So, prevention of accidents and being able to take care of a child when an emergency happens is very, very important. So many children die because of drowning in school swimming pools every year. And many children die because of choking related accidents. Even recently in Hyderabad, in the past 2 years, there were at least 2 incidents, such incidents. These are preventable deaths. So I want all of you to make sure your teachers and staff are well trained in first aid for these emergencies and trained in CPR, at least chest compressions only life-saving measures called COLS, C-O-L-S. And also, I have actually raised a petition saying that every student from 7th standard onwards should learn first aid, because if 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, everybody is trained in first aid, every house will have somebody who is trained in first aid. So if you come across that petition, please do sign and help me reach this cause to its logical conclusion. And don't tell me that, okay, no, it's not feasible. A 7th class child, what will he know or do knowing first aid? No. In so many Western countries, this starts from 12 years of age. And those children, when they come and rattle out the first aid measures, I wonder why India cannot do it. We can do it. We can. Together we can do anything. So I want you all to help me with this, and to start with, my phone number will be with Spandana. Any of you is really interested in starting this training of your teachers and staff in first aid and CPR, and you want to train at least your 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th grade children in first aid and CPR, please feel free to reach out to me. I will make sure that it happens wherever you are from in India. Thank you so much. I wanted to say one thing, Shreya. I'm so glad you have written something which children can read, children can understand, and it's very important that children develop a positive association food, not restrictive association with food. I quickly scanned through her pages, and I felt this book will really make it happen for the children. And I'm so glad you came up with this idea. I'm so happy. Thank you and all the very best.